Okay, so it's been a minute since I've done a top 5 video, so I thought, why not, right? Today we are going to talk about my top 5 favorite office items that I use daily. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on to receive notifications when new content is released on the channel. So you all know our number one favorite thing on this channel is sweet tech. That being said, today we're going to take a look at my top 5 favorite items that I use every single day. Everything discussed in this video will have links located in the description where you can take a closer look. So first thing is first, and we are going to start off with my number one item, and that is the desk I use. Being a content creator, my setup is always changing and evolving my workflow. Lately, the FlexiSpot electric self-rising desk has been a key factor to my setup these days. Being able to self-rise to different heights and programmable presets. I can just hit a single button and it will set itself to my desired settings. Whether it's standing working on some music or sitting down doing emails, editing, or the best, gaming. It also has a handy hidden compartment and USB ports along with a USB-C port to keep all your devices charged and ready to go. Since the first item is the desk, then I had to go ahead and let the second item be a good chair to go along with. I mean, when you're sitting at your desk, you're usually sitting there for hours at a time. So why not make that time as comfortable as you can? I do so by using another great FlexiSpot product, and that is their OC10 office chair. It's totally comfortable with breathable mesh and so many settings for customized comfort. From adjustable armrest, chair height, back support, and headrest. It would highly surprise me if you couldn't get comfortable in this office chair. I've been using it a pretty good bit this year and it has become my favorite chair for my setting task. And speaking of getting tasks done, there wouldn't be much of that happening without a good stable computer. So for my number 3, I would like to give it to my MSI Creator 15 notebook. When it comes to my content creation and production work, this thing has been a tank for it all. So there's nothing better to go on the desk than this bad boy. MSI has so many notebooks to choose from when it comes to getting what you need for the job. I myself prefer the Creator line with the NVIDIA's Studio drivers to speed up the task in video editing, music, and design, while having all the ports I need for my external gear, including Thunderbolt. Not to mention its compact size makes it easy to transport and carry with me anywhere without being bulky and in the way. For the fourth item in this video, it's definitely my wireless mouse. I've been using the Corsair Harpoon RGB for a good while now, and it's been a great add-on to my workflow, giving me the option for Bluetooth, 2.4 wireless, and a wire connection that also charges the onboard battery, along with a button on the top that will swap between speed profiles that helps you easily change the sensitivity on the fly. So if you're looking for a wireless mouse, I would highly recommend to look into this one. It's been great in my setup. And for the last item on the list, which is definitely one not to overlook. Matter of fact, it's used every time I approach my desk, and that is this wireless charging pad by Alki. It's USB-C, so it will plug right into the front port on my desk, giving me a charger that's always placed on the desk. As well as if you're an iPhone user, you can take advantage of the one clip feature that will magnetically wireless charge your iPhone 8 or later, as well as AirPod models with a wireless charging case, as you would with any QI certified charger. That means it will magnetically stick to the back of your phone until you're ready to detach it. Pretty cool, right? I prefer to use Android devices myself, so I don't get the cool snap-on feature, although it does do a fantastic job with all of my other devices that do allow wireless charging. So that is it. That is my top 5 favorite items that I use every day in my creative space. So if you found this video helpful in any way, make sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments what some of your favorite items are. And lastly, to keep up with more content on the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Once again, my name is Brad. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.